Hey guys, this is Roblox No Gamer here, and today my 90s Nikes came. We're gonna unbox it, and let's open it. I'm going to we're gonna open it, guys. Okay, let's check how it is. Okay, let's open it. Here they are, guys. My 90s Nikes. Oh, here they are, guys. My 90s Nikes. Here they are, guys. My 90s Nikes. I can't even get it open. Oh, there we go. Here they are, guys. My 90s Nikes. Here they are. Okay, let's try them on, guys. And look at this. Let's try them on, guys. Hey guys, let's check out the 90s Nikes. Look, they fit me real good. Oh, let me get look. They fit me real good. Alright guys, that was my unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time. Later.